So I don't know what's going on, but Huicho is right across the street. We did it. We went to go pull out, and Rob said there's a house across the street that says tacos, and this is the house. They got a wood-burning grill right here. I don't know, like I think that's goat something. I don't even know what the name of the Rica Comida Casera. I don't even know what the name of the place is. But if it looks like this in this neighborhood, I have to be there. So you don't pass by, you just go do it. You try them out until you try them out. Let's check it out. This place is actually called GAYOSSO. We found it on Google Maps. You won't find the name anywhere on the building. And here's what else I can tell you is that the RV park or whatever this is next door, they don't like that I'm here doing this. But we still thrive. We just press on and we just make it happen. Here we go. It's hotter than the surface of the sun. And I'm gonna burn my face off. But we do it for the game. We do it because we try them out until we try them out. So, they're not crispy, but they are a little. So I mean, maybe there are a couple little burnt bits in there. You know, I'm a burnt bits guy. That salsa is fantastic. I mean, it's fantastic. Wow. Wow. That is a great taco. That's an 8.6. That is an 8. The only thing that's keeping it out of the 9 is more crispy. The salsa, the cilantro, the corn tortilla is phenomenal. It's phenomenal, the corn tortilla. This little guy right here is just, I mean, I think they just shredded up money and put it in here with a little bit of water and just put some salt in it because it's money. It's that good. It's an 8.6 all day long. A little bit crispier of pieces would push us probably over the 9. Tacos GAYOSSO in this little house in the middle of 20th Street and McDowell in Phoenix. Find it, go check it out. You will not regret it. That's a review.